What's good, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with another money making video so you can live the life you want to live. In this video, I'll be reviewing an administrative associate position at a company called Wikimedia Foundation. You can work from anywhere because it is remote. It's a freelance opportunity, so it's not full time, it's actually part time. But you can actually work from any country in the world once you have reliable internet and a trusty device. Okay. Um, Now it's a part-time contract position. They didn't say if it was for 6 months of the year or 8 months or whatever. They just said 20 hours per week. Okay. So bear with me as we go through this lead, because a lot of information will be unfolded, and from that information you can determine if you want to be able to make money from this opportunity, right? Now the Wikimedia Foundation is, and by the way, Wikimedia, not Wikipedia. Okay. Don't be confused with the search engine, or that website where you can search stuff on and it gives you facts. Not that one. This is Wikimedia. This is a here, let's go into the lead and you'll see. Now, the Wikimedia Foundation is looking for an administrative associate to join our team on a part-time contractual basis, reporting to the Chief Talent and Culture Officer. This will be a part-time, year-long contract role at 20 hours a week. So I stand corrected, and I did see it. I just didn't remember. It is Friday. It is Friday, and I'm excited to. Well, at the time of this recording, it's 7:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, December 17th, 2021. You will be seeing this the day after or sometime after. Okay? But this is Friday that I'm recording, and I am pretty spent. Alright? Now, as the administrative associate, you will manage the schedules of identified leaders in the Talent and Culture (TNC) department and work with other administrative staff members across the organization to prioritize scheduling and meetings. You will handle calendaring requests across many time zones and administrative requests such as reconciling credit cards and contract processing. You are responsible for you will support hiring managers with orientation, onboarding, and offboarding as needed. Calendaring, scheduling, meeting management for cross-departmental meetings across time zones. Expense report and reimbursement management for department C-level. Coordinate and provide guidance regarding business operations, swag, event inquiries. Enter, support, and track business arrangements on behalf of budget owners. Oversee usage of department credit cards and complete monthly credit reconciliations for the department and C-level credit cards. Provide support for convenings, both in person and virtual. Partner with the travel and convening team on an as-needed basis. Support note-taking and publication on the wiki for TNC as assigned. And we realize that TNC from above stands for... Do you remember? No? Travel and convening. Okay? Travel and convening. They had it in brackets up here. My bad again. It's actually talent and culture. Wow, it really is Friday today, right? So, oops. TNC stands for Travel and Culture. The Travel and Culture Department. Okay? Nice. Let's see if we, and by we I mean I, can get through this without making any more mistakes. Alright? Documentation on an as-needed basis for department office wikis. Prepare presentation decks, spreadsheets, documents, meeting agendas. Provide cross-departmental backup coverage for other administrative professionals when they are out. Staff enrichment coordination. So you look at celebrations, sympathy baskets, etc., birthdays and so on. Um, Hitting milestones, you plan those activities. You put together those packages, those baskets, those gift baskets, and so on. And ad hoc tasks as assigned. Skills and experience. They pretty much want a Swiss Army knife, but they're specifically looking for these things. And if you don't have them, it doesn't mean they're not willing to look at you. But these things are experience coordinating senior level schedules across time zones in a global work environment. Experience actively engaging with productive logistical support. Ability to communicate and determine a path forward when time constraints are in play. Superior expertise with Google Calendar and intermediate level with G Suite software. Qualities that are important to us, Wikimedia that is. Open, flexible, and succinct communication style. So they want you to be very frank, very flexible, and I'm not sure if flexible means different languages, but flexible definitely means different tonalities, different mediums, voice, in person, Zoom, and other digital means of streaming or having meetings. They want you to be succinct, so direct and to the point. All right. Creativity, resourcefulness, and accuracy in problem solving. Ability to thrive in an administrative and logistically rich environment. Additionally, we love it if you have wiki editing experience. Ability to travel. Okay, you must have the ability to travel. Now, a bit about the Wikimedia Foundation. The Wikimedia Foundation is the non-profit organization that operates Wikipedia and the other Wikimedia free knowledge projects. So, it's not Wikipedia directly, but the company that runs Wikipedia. Alright? It's a non-profit organization and it operates Wikipedia and other Wikimedia free knowledge projects. So earlier when I said it's not Wikipedia, it's Wikimedia, which owns Wikipedia. So you're not directly working for Wikipedia per se. You're not necessarily hands-on on Wikipedia, but you'll be looking at the whole empire. Okay? Because along with Wikipedia, there are other projects that Wikimedia has. Alright? Now, our vision is a world in which every single human can freely share in the sum of all knowledge. We believe that everyone has the potential to contribute something to our shared knowledge and that everyone should be able to access that knowledge freely. We host Wikipedia and the Wikimedia projects, build software experiences for reading, contributing, and sharing Wikimedia content, support the volunteer communities and partners who make Wikimedia possible, and advocate for policies that enable Wikimedia and free knowledge to thrive. The Wikimedia Foundation is a charitable, non-profit, not-for-profit organization that relies on donations. We receive donations from millions of individuals around the world, with an average donation of about $15. We also receive donations through institutional grants and gifts. The Wikimedia Foundation is a United States 501c3 tax-exempt organization with offices in San Francisco, California, USA. If you want to join the revolution to help make knowledge free and accessible to all, hit that button to become or to apply to become an administrative associate at Wikimedia. It is an awesome company. You've probably seen them rating number one in searches in Google for various topics. Right. They big. And even though they're non-profit, I'm sure they definitely want to make sure that people eat. So you want to eat, you're good at being somebody's right hand, then go ahead and press that button and apply. Okay? Check the links in the description below as well. And furthermore, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share, because it's free. And it's free, but it will help you make money online. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your weekend. It's 1 week till Christmas. If you don't celebrate the Christmas season, or if you don't celebrate Christmas at all, um, I still wish you a happy time and happy holidays. Um, if you don't believe in the festivities and so on, it's okay. I still wish you the best and all the best for the new year. Thanks for watching this video. Um, thanks for engaging and for sharing in the content that I've taken the time to prepare, to create. I really appreciate it. And to all my ninjas out there, um, all the best, all the success in making money. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. Peace.